here at MarineMax Panama City Beach, standing atop a 2005 Grady-White 306 Bimini. If you're trying to get into a twin-engine offshore capable legend, the boat with the best bones in the business, 60-year legend, 16-year CSI award winner, you're standing on top of 30-foot Grady-White powered by twin Yamaha 225 four-strokes. Why don't you come on aboard and let's take a closer look at the boat. As you come into the bow of the boat, you can see the enormous fishing space and non-skid casting platform. The hatches you're seeing are fish boxes left and right that are insulated and foam filled, could be used as coolers or storing those monster fish that we've been slaying offshore. We've got an enormous fish box and storage compartment up front with plenty of ample space for fishing for two people up front on that non-skid surface. Step down, we've got the console with padded backrest. As we step towards the helm, you get a good look at all the electronics that the boat's already equipped for, and no shortage of rod holders all the way around top, bottom, and sides. Step over to the helm with cameraman Andy here, and we can see the boat is equipped with Furuno radar, Furuno chart plotter and sounder, as well as autopilot. What you've seen in the pictures and videos ahead of this was that we have a ling ring up top with autopilot controls. If somebody's still down below controlling the throttle, we could control the autopilot steering from above, spot those cobia, keep those trolling and outriggers out, and see if we can't get some of those pelagics. Grady-White, known for their comfortable and soft and stable ride, we see the enormous 10-foot 7-inch beam, has a lean post and console here wide enough to seat 2 Americans or even 3 average adults. We work to the back of the boat, and that 10-7 beam provides fishing space that's absolutely enormous. I mean, I have rod storage up under the gunnel. You do peak on both sides. We've got electric reel plug-ins for the electric downriggers or electric reels. We've got tow rails integrated into the side of the rod storage that's been done nicely versus a stainless rod that has to be maintained. Live well at the back of the box. They're at the transom with recirc. Back of the lean post does have more rod holders, as well as bait prep stations, wash prep station in here, and tackle storage below. Step to the very rear of the boat, and we do get a good look at those Yamaha 225 four-strokes. Hey, thanks for joining us at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Once again, I'm Caleb Peavler. This is a 2005 Grady-White 306 Bimini. If you've enjoyed the content or want to get a hold of us, try MarineMax.com. You can call us directly at the Panama City location at 850-708-1317. If you really enjoy our content and our videos, come out to the YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and engage in the content so we can help answer your questions. Thanks again.